February 29. So today is definitely the last day of the cheap bike build-off challenge, and I have some tiny little issues to solve still. So the first thing that I want to do is change my brake pads. So we got a brand new delivery of Shimano brake shoes. Shimano brake shoes, M70R2 severe braking for V brakes. So that is for Diori XT, XTR, LX and DXR. So that in my books is some of the best brakes we're talking about. I specifically like the LX and XT and XTRs, the ones with the parallelogram movement of the brake pad, where you have a parallel movement of the brake pad towards the rim. Anyway, so that's beside the subject. So dear Shimano, I have done this before, so this is my last attempt of doing that. And you see the installation and you see the wear. They were slightly mounted in a way that they wouldn't rub down parallel. Also in this angle. Can't remember on which brake I used them, but not on a parallelogram as it seems. Anyway, so no matter what, your brake pads, my dear beloved people of Shimano, they should not crumple and fall out as they have. So I have replaced them with genuine items, just like I will do now. I will put the new rubber in. Am I in the picture? Yes, I should be very well in the picture. Okay. So, seems that this is just pushing out. Yes, it is. So this is the old stuff. Nope, that's not how it works. How does this go together? Yeah, must be going through there. Am I stupid? Looks like it. Oh, sorry. It's like this. Okay, so this is the old item. These two are new. Okay, and I'm going to push this one out as well. Comes out very easy. So we have two little clamps. We have two, and that just slides out. Okay, so I'm going to check. Okay. There is a right and there is a left. So this is the right. Old one. I'm just going to save that just in case. So there you go. Going nowhere. Saved. Now if this is the front and this is the front, this is on my rear brake. So this is the right side. Where is it now? Does this not have a designation here? Yes, it should have. It certainly should have. Okay, it has a forward arrow. forward arrow. So this is that. Okay. And forward arrow. To the right and to the left. So that all makes sense. So I'm holding this down. And I'm just going to clean it a little bit first. Cleaning should never be harmful. This is just a paper towel, so I'm not limiting friction. This actually pushes in rather tightly, so I don't understand why you would need anything else but pushing this in. Before I forget, I want to clean this one here as well. They seem rather fragile, so I'm careful not to front, right, front, left. So we're good, we're good, like so. Okay, all makes sense. So now let's push this down, nice and careful, making sure to push it in the right direction. This is difficult. This is way more difficult than this coming out. Why is that? It's not wanting to go in. This is not having it. I have an idea. I'm going to find some hairspray and then I will try again. So bear with me because I have no idea where I need to find this hairspray.